In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and get Gmail on Outlook. Now, first, I need you to understand that you cannot do this through the web version of Outlook. You need to use the actual Outlook app, okay? Now, come here, open up your app, click on File here in the top left corner, and then what I need you to do is I need you to go ahead and the menu, click on Add Account, okay? Click on Info, click on Add Account right here. And what I need you to do once this pop-up comes up, enter your Google email in this pop-up window, click on connect. It'll ask you to put in your password. Go ahead and do that. If you had set up two-factor authentication, it'll give you a verification code that you have to put in. Once you do that, they'll ask you for permissions to go ahead and allow your Gmail to be connected with Microsoft apps and services. And if you go ahead and allow this, what will happen, you will basically have connected your Gmail to Outlook, and this is what it will look like. And it's really that easy and simple.